guys, I hope you enjoy your time. Let's try to create this presentation. This look great. If you like content like this, don't forget to look into my channel. We have many of them like this. And if you like it, don't forget to like and subscribe. Okay, let's start creating it. It's really easy, but the important thing about creating this thing is that you need two pictures, one from a mountain and one from the ocean. We have both of the pictures and you see they are here. This is the ocean and this is the mountain. Okay, when we try to remove the picture, you see nothing is here. So how this could be happen? Let's look at the transition. You see in the transition, it looks like the mountain is going to top and going to nowhere. Okay, let's see. The mountain is here. You see that the mountain isn't going nowhere. The ocean is taking top of it. Okay, let's try to create it. At first for the text, it's just pretty simple. This ocean text is a text with overdrive sunset, and for the shape format, we format the shape and use from here text option and use just gradient option. You can use it or whatever you want. Gradient fill and this option linear type. Okay, this is it, and I also change the type to this thing. You can change the direction. And for the text, it's just a simple text in a white color. Now let's add the picture. This is for the ocean. We add the picture simply here. Okay, and this is the mountain. Mountain is like the picture. They like creating the same option. Let me just delete this thing. Delete this thing. Okay, now we have our mountain and our ocean. We need to create this slide. Creating this thing is a little tricky, but before that, you maybe ask how we create this. This is simple one. I insert it from the icons. I don't know what problem my PC or system have. The icons is not loading. Okay, it's loaded. You can find the house here in the free icons. For example, let's see, we added this heart. I can't find the house. For now, I'm really bad at finding. Okay, when you insert it, it gave you something like this. You can format it from the here. You can change the color or everything you need. Okay, these two slides are ready. All we need to do now, we need to create the most important slide, this slide. How we create this? Okay, it's a simple one. We create a blank space. We copy this picture, paste it here. We copy this picture, paste it here. Now we go to picture format and try to crop it until the middle. You see the effect has been created, but you can make it better by how making a little shadow in the down. I forget it's a down shadow button. Okay, it's good. Bring it to front. It's good. We created the shadow. Now we just need to copy the text. After copying the text, what we need to do, we need to flex the text, bring it down and bring it up, then increase it in size and increase it in size to the same size. Bring it here. Now everything is being created. Now let's go and do some more thing to make it look better. At first, we are going to insert a link. So whenever you click on the here, whenever you click on the slide, it's go to mountain. Okay, and create a link for this. Whenever you click, go to ocean. Now also create a link for this thing to go to a slide 6. Then copy that, delete this thing, paste it here. Now for the effect, we are going to do something amazing. What we are going to do, we are going to copy this mountain and paste it here, and we are going to use the picture format crop to make it look like this. And also we are going to copy the ocean and do the same thing for that. Picture format crop. Now we just give a time and set the transitions to morph. Now let's run it and see how it looks like. We click on the mountain. We click on the ocean. It's ocean to mountain. You can also click on the mountain. I forget here. You see everything look great. If you like this kind of content, don't forget to like and subscribe and ask me if you have any question in the comments. Until the next time, have a nice